turn my phone off, but that's where all my friends are. What do I do? Why is it so hard to find someone new so far away? All the days that I used to have someone right beside
The freebies that come with Japanese magazines are insanely good. How good are they, you ask? This is way too thick to be called a magazine, isn't it? It's a beauty magazine and it comes with a beauty serum and mini skincare samples. As the internet became more widespread, magazine sales declined. That made them start coming with high-quality freebies. It mainly focuses on women's fashion and beauty magazines. Some of them are so popular that they often sell out on the day it goes on sale. I looked all over for this magazine the day after it came out, but it was already sold out everywhere. Finally, I found one. Do you know where it is? In Taiwan. So let's open it what comes with. This one is the beauty magazine and this one is a free gift. I bought it in Taiwan for $300, which is about 15,000 yen. People who don't understand Japanese will hardly ever buy Japanese magazine or books. But if you're interested in Japanese beauty items or want to know what kind of skincare is trending in Japan right now, definitely try to get one. Oh, something is stick to it. It's a skincare sample of BA. BA is known as the best aging care brand of Japan's leading cosmetic manufacturer, Poda. The lotion costs 23,000 yen, which is 145 US dollars. It's a one-time set of lotion, emulsion, and cream. The magazine's content is helpful and informative too. For example, it features a rank list of the best cosmetics for the second half of 2025. The items range from high-end brands to ones you can purchase at drugstore or Donkey. Oh, this was the most popular item in the budget-friendly category. It's the enzyme facial cleanser with clay from Suicide, which I've been using since it's released. If you're concerned from clogged pores, it's definitely worth trying. I found another samples to try. Atenia has been by far the most popular cleansing brand lately. They've just launched a new primer shell which applies as a booster before skin lotion. They said that continuous use, it helps your skin become smoother and firmer. Before purchasing skincare items, you can try samples like this to check whether they suit your skin, which is very helpful. Beauty magazines tend to be very visual, so it's very easy to get an idea of the recommended skincare and cosmetics just from the photos. You can get detailed information on current trends in Japan from the latest new items to long-selling items. Now let's take a look at the main freebies. This month includes a set of 10 face masks selected by a well-known beauty expert. You don't often get the chance to try this many different ones at once, do you? So let's go through them one by one. First, the Black Jelly Sheet Mask. Rice bran fermented liquid helps provide moisture to dull and dry skin. Toriden is a Korean skincare brand that is very popular in Japan. Moisturizing and smooth sheet mask for sensitive and slugging skin. Bayer's Green Wonder Aqua Serum Mask. It's also from Korea that work on dryness and reduce elasticity and bring glass skin with shine and firmness. This is my favorite one. It is a brightening face mask that approaches dullness, dryness, and noticeable pores. Oh, this is also very popular. It contains plenty of beauty serum and is formulated with 5 types of retinol and collagen. It's a thin, high-adhesion mask infused with plenty of serum made from 10 kinds of plant-based ingredients. It's new to me, so I'm so excited to try it. You know what is the most expensive mask among them? The face mask carefully formulated with a focus on moisturizing ingredients. It helps open pores less visible. The mask that provides anti-aging care with a high concentration serum. The last one is a 3D design mask with plenty of beauty serum as well. How much do you think the total price of the 10 face masks is? It's 4,363 yen, which is 28 US dollars. And the price of the magazine is only 950 yen. It's insane, isn't it? Plus, it comes with one-time use samples as well. In today's video, I introduced a Japanese beauty magazine. It's released monthly and you can enjoy various free gifts, so please give it a try. By the way, I really like the Bio face mask. I will get them. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.